Good morning. Sorry, happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once more again. As you all know, my name is the Trending Evangelist, and I have to be doing quick analysis on my trading, on my trading view. BTC. I'll be analyzing BTC and Xauusd, which is good. Let me So that is it, guys. So as you all know, I've drew what I expect from the markets already on the charts. So, main purpose for this live video that I post on YouTube is to also help me to improve my trading. To also help me to improve on my trading. As I'm posting it online, I'm also learning from my mistake. So before I start, let me go to the time frame. How I marked the zone. Okay, this one here was I marked zone from daily time frame. And what makes it to be from daily time frame? To mark the closing of the candle, because that matters a lot to me. It's very important to me. Marking my closing, open and closing of that candlestick from daily time frame, because it makes sense when I went down to lower time frame. Okay, I mark this one here. I zoom very well, then mark it from this place here. Because if you look on a if you look here, Bitcoin has been in an uptrend for a long time, but starts coming down. As you can see, this is trending like as it has been coming down for a long time like this now. And what I expect from the market this time around is to read the market structure, the current move of the market. That I'm trying to check now, the current move of the market. So if you look here, there is a, let me move all this. If you look here, there is a break of structure here. This one here is a break of structure to the upside, internal break of structure. Why I'm still expecting more down push before market will go up. So, and today is Sunday. If this would have been on Monday, if this had been on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I would have decided to take a trade, because I just saw an entry to take a set trade, but I didn't take trade. Today is Sunday, and I don't want to rush into taking trade and later to end up in loss. Not that I don't want to lose, but let me be sure of what I'm doing. Let me follow my trading plan very well. So first, I'm going to be marking the current structure now, because I want BTC is like kind of going down, because when you break this level here, if BTC come down to this place here, so I'm assuming it's going to come back to this place for it to break, then come back down. This is just probability expectation, but it must not happen. This is what I'm expecting from the market. If market come down to this place, it's coming back here to this place here, then it's either it reverse back up, or it's come back to this place, and once it breaks this place, that means I'm taking it to this place here. Nothing can stop me from doing that, and this is gonna be a string trade, but this won't play out in a day. It will play out within some days. So I will leave the market like that. And the current structure, the reason why I wanted to draw this line here, like I've said before, today is Sunday and I don't want to rush into trade like this. I mark the closing of this previous day, that is on Friday, Friday close. I marked it out. Then on the daily time frame, yesterday on, I marked this level out, yesterday closing. Here's what I did. I marked it out. So within today and tomorrow, let me go back to lower time frame. And like I said, this place is a break of, there's a break of structure here. So that's why I put this one here. But this is a demand zone for possible reversal zone. This is a possible reversal zone here. So I just want to be careful with taking trade at this point like this. Let me use my fib too, because I need to be more careful, because price has gone below. It has hit 61.8 level. As market has been reversing from this place here. So this was my plan initially. If market breaks this place here, come back here, then breaks before tomorrow, this will happen. Or it breaks the opposite side. It breaks the opposite side. So this is the thing I'm expecting from the market today and tomorrow. Between today and tomorrow. Because before I wanted to take a set trade here, but no, I'm not so comfortable with that set trade, and the market is going back up now. It's like I'll take a buy. It's like I'm taking a buy on this place here. It's like I'm taking a buy. I'm waiting for a break and close. I'm waiting for a break and close. Once the market breaks and close the level, then I'm taking that buy. This is just a minor trend line. It's not that much very, it's not that valid. Okay, like what I said, I wanted to set trade from here before. I think, is it like this before? Okay, this is it here. Because when I saw this breakout here, I wanted to take a set trade before. But when I did this, I saw that market is still in an uptrend. Market is still in an uptrend. I'm still expecting more buy to. I'm still expecting more. I'm still expecting buy to the upside. Because you know this place here, there's a demand zone here. So this demand zone, market didn't give a proper breakout on the demand zone. If there's a breakout, that means if there's a proper breakout from the zone, that means I'm still going to buy. There's possible there's possible there's possibility that the market will still go back up. There's possibility that market will still go back up and still sell again. So I'm just waiting till tomorrow on this BTC trade. Till tomorrow I will know if I'm to sell or I'm to buy, depending on what market is showing me. Because I'm still expect market to give a break of this zone here. I marked it properly before. Let me just leave it like that. So one thing the reason one of the most important reason I started this YouTube channel is because number one, it will make me to master my strategy very well. Okay, this is what I drew initially before, because I'm expecting a break and retest, not just break and close, break and retest from any of these two zones here. Break and retest, markets come here, break, retest, then buy to the upside, or market come here, break and set to the downside. So these two things I'm expecting from this BTC tomorrow, from next week. So either one of the two happen or the market consolidates. Simple. It's either one of the two happen or the market consolidates. So this is a perfect setup. Now let me go back to Xauusd. If I see this trade, I'll spend over the $100 I make from Xauusd. So from daily time frame. If you watch closely, because I normally draw my zone is from daily time frame. The closing candlestick is very important to me. I'm still taking or shifting this to the downside here. This is how I personally trade. I don't care. I don't know about how you trade your own, but this is how I personally trade. Let me just move that one below there. So what will only the only reason why I will buy this gold is if market opens, and before I buy this guy, it's on the 1 hour time frame that I will take this buy from. Because what I'm expecting from this market is if market come back to this place here, if market from here come back to this zone here, then I need to see liquidity sweep here, then I need to see how my candlestick, like this candlestick you've seen here, that's want to see happen on this place here on 1 hour time frame. Then I'm buying. That's the reason why I'll only buy this trade. We are not see that because on daily 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame and above, trading those candlestick pattern is very powerful because they respect it more than lower time frames. You can easily spot fake outs once you are in a right zone and those candlesticks appeared on that zone. My I don't know what to call it. Once the candlestick appeared, don't hesitate to take that trade immediately. Not just to show the candlestick, but to wait for the closing of that candlestick. Because not just to liquidity sweep then close anyhow, because I can't take anyhow closing. It has to close giving me that pin bar candlestick, pin bar candlestick from 1 hour time frame, or it breaks below, then I'm taking it to this side here. Once it breaks, I'm coming back to this place. Once here, I'm taking it. Let me go to lower time frame. Once the thing came here and show me that pin bar from the 1 hour time frame, that means I'm taking a buy. I'm taking a buy of this trade. Then if there is a sell, if the market breaks here, I'm taking a sell. Then why buy from here? That means this zone won't be relevant to me again. That zone won't be relevant to me again. I want to trade risk to reward. Or let market open, because there might be, because when market open tomorrow, there might be what's it called again, gap in the market tomorrow. I don't know, because there might be a gap in the market, so I have to wait till market opening, till Monday afternoon during New York session. That's perfect time to trade on Mondays during New York sessions. So that's what I'm expecting from this trade from tomorrow's spot. I'm not going to do more than this, except from this. And if you also look at it, what caused this downfall here is because of this zone here, because I drew this zone here. Because what I even expect from the market earlier was for market to come back to this zone here, because this was the last very constructive downside. So once, if this market here, if this place here eventually got broken and retest and start going back, that means the buy I'm expecting has finally worked out. I'm taking a buy, but since the market refused to break, and this is one of the reasons why I said it's not all the zone that you take, not all the time. Like this trade now, if someone have taken a buy from here, buy from it, so you saw this massive breakout here. If it's because of this market's massive breakout here, you have lost that trade. Because on a zone like this, what I expect is for it to breaks it properly, breaks it, retest, then buy, break, retest, then buy. So, and before market might get there, if there's a way to connect trend line to that zone, it makes it more powerful. It makes the zone more powerful. It makes the zone more powerful. So I'm not really expecting much from this market. This market now is in middle of nowhere. This market now is in middle of nowhere. Nowhere to be found. So before then, let me go to my DXY US dollar index, because this also helped me a lot. As I also do my analysis here on US dollar index, support and resistance, because that is mostly what I trade, support and resistance. So because of this massive push to the upside, that is what makes gold to sell. So, and it seems that this market now is still trying to push up the further. Okay, this is an example of break and retest, because sometimes when market breaks, it will fall go up. Okay, now let me go to see how this market breaks here now. See how it breaks now. This is on a daily time frame. Now let me show you how it looks like on a lower time frame. You see how the break was on this place. Market breaks the resistance level, then it went up. So some people might catch the move here, but the main move is this place here, break and retest. The main move is this place here, taking a buy from here, then take it up, because once market have come here and retest here, it's going back up. So this is the main move here. This is the main move here. This is the main move here. So that is, but not all the time the market will just break, then give small pullback before you now take the trade. Sometimes you go and give a huge spike and move up before you can start moving back down. So, but anytime there is a break, market will always retest, because if you look here, there's also consolidation. There's market has been consolidating on this place here. The market has been consolidating there, and market had to retest. It had to retest. It got to retest, and it will retest. And once it retest, taking it up. So now from the next move, what am I expecting now from US dollar index? weekly time frame. If you see from weekly time frame, market is the US dollar index is still in an uptrend. If you look here, it's in an uptrend. US dollar is in an uptrend. It's in an uptrend. So why it's retesting there, gold might still be buying, and when it's about to buy, gold will sell, or when the market breaks here, then it's come back to this place here. So just expecting a break and retest here. It's either it breaks here or market go below. And if market come back here, keep on coming back down here, that means gold is be buying, because this one can be US dollar index can be, because US dollar index is still strong now. The US dollar can be selling and gold will be selling also. Both of them are not working in the same way. They work in opposite direction. As the news also. And this one works on both on USD pair and BTC. USD pair and BTC. So that's what I'm expecting from this market next week. So from tomorrow, I'll know if I'm buying BTC or I'm selling Bitcoin. So let me use the opportunity to thank those of you that view my video and no like, no subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you. You only view, no like. Thank you. Well done. God bless you all. So either of these two, one will surely happen. And before then, anyone that happens, you know what to do. So from tomorrow, if there's any updates, I will post it on my statue here. I will post it here on the statue. Sorry, on my YouTube channel. This money must be made, sure. It must be made. Trade must pay. So and soon I'll be starting my small soon I want to start teaching on price action. What a price action? How to trade price action as an intermediate trader. So like and subscribe. Like, subscribe to this channel. Okay. So like, subscribe to this channel, and expect more video from my YouTube channel again. Wow. Just so happy God has been helping me on this. God has been so faithful. Like I said before, the reason why for this my YouTube channel is for educational purpose, one, and for my personal development. Because the more I do analysis and post on YouTube, I just take this YouTube as my journaling, where I journal my trade. Though I have where I journal trade, YouTube also for to journal my trade. And with time, my trade will become more perfect, more entertaining to join. Okay. So I would like for those of you that will watch the end, tell me your own thoughts on this market. What do you say about the market? Your own opinion, because I'd like to hear from you guys also. I'll be happy to see you guys. I would like to hear from you guys also tomorrow, not tomorrow, on the comment section. So when you watch the video, like, subscribe, and tell me your own opinion about my video. If you're anything to start doing right, good, because I will love it more. So as we expect Bitcoin. Okay, let me just do one or two things on this Bitcoin trade. Let me just leave this trend line here. Let me leave trend line here. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. So as a trend line trader, this might be a bit confused for some of you, for some of the beginner traders. I just connect this low, this high here, this higher low, and fake higher low. Connect it higher low here, higher low, fake breakout, higher low. So this will give more confidence if markets eventually breaks and come back to this place here. This is a zone for me and a plus for me also. So same as the downtrend on, if market breaks, come back, it might not get to trend line, but at least get to the zone as a breakout retest, and this is a plus for me. It makes the zone more stronger. So I don't depend on trend line only, like support and resistance, trend line, Fibonacci, supply and demand zone. Although that's the same thing. Support and resistance, supply and demand. Well, just brief this trend between support and resistance and demand zone for my own understanding. Resistance is just a zone. Like this is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. Here below is a support level where there's multiple touches. Resistance level. So that is it for now, traders. Hoping to hear from you guys on the comment section, your own opinion from the market. Hoping to hear from you, and I'll learn from you guys also. So there's nothing much more. Alright, I'm done for this live video now. Like, subscribe, share this video, because this is always a beginner friendly video for intermediate trader for intermediate trader, beginner level. Okay, thank you. I wish you successful trading journey. Next week, being tomorrow, market being opening, we go again. God bless.